In this video, I will tell you how to change your TikTok account category. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok application. Then tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner. And here tap on edit profile icon. But before telling you the method, I am telling you that for this you should have a business account, and at the last of the video I am telling you that how can you switch your account from personal to business. So now I am using a business account. So here you can see category option, and category option is only available in a business account. So here you can choose any of the category listed here and then simply tap on save option. Now I am telling you that how can you change your category from personal to business. So for this, tap on three lines on the upper right corner, tap on settings and privacy options in the bottom, tap on manage account, and here you can see switch to personal. So currently I am using a business account, so you will see switch to business account. So simply tap on switch to business account option, and then you will see two or three more options. So you can simply change your account from personal to business. So I hope this video will work for you and you will like this video. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.